Like, yo, I'm gonna take this DJ certification program, and then he vanished for like a year. And the day that he came in a year after 2 days and signed up for the program. And I'm not gonna speak on this man's story, but what he went through, I guarantee you a majority of us will have a very hard time going through. This is one of our first students to ever go 5 out of 6 flawless on his evaluation. 5, 6. So this whole time we've been kind of messing with him, and we were like, yo, I'm gonna give you a piece of paper to say like, yo, you know, you did a good job. But we decided against that, and we did a specialized platform. Oh, we ain't done it though. You just started. So, this is being presented to NY for graduating with honors. The first students to go 5 out of 6 on flawless evaluation. Oh, we ain't done it. Alright, so here's us. Continue this and get your shine on. I'm telling you, this man lives in this building. He's in here day in and day out. Dedication is an understatement. So, we also have a special gift from the friends over at Serato. Alright? A specially designed record bag. Nobody is in the and it just came out today. Nobody else has it, just this yet. Alright?
You might need to talk about that.
There you go.
That's the case. You might need to have a conversation about
that. We have a full bag of some swag for you from Serato as well. Don't forget that. Once again, guys, let's make some noise for my man DJ Manfox.